Soldiers often suffer more than just physical wounds in battle. More than 73,000 Iraq and Afghanistan vets who have sought help from the Veterans Administration have been diagnosed with possible mental problems, including post-traumatic stress disorder. And many of them are not getting the help they need from the military health care system. Sharyn Alfonsi has one veteran's tragic story.
When Marine Corporal Jeff Lucy came home from Iraq, his family thought he was out of danger. Less than a year later, he was dead. His father, Kevin.
And then I happened to see the cellar door open, and there was a light on downstairs.
Kevin first saw pictures of Jeff's platoon and family arranged on the floor.
He was hanging from the garden hose, and he really did look at peace. The first time in so long.
Because for months, Jeff had been depressed, hallucinating and drinking heavily. He was committed to the Northampton VA hospital in Massachusetts. He stayed for just 3 nights.
What kind of care was he getting during those 3 days?
Warehouse. From what we understand, he never saw a psychiatrist. Has the patient plan or intention to harm himself? Yes.
Hospital records show during that visit, Jeff told the staff he was planning to either overdose, hang, or suffocate himself.
So the VA knew that he was having these suicidal thoughts or had plans?
Yeah.
And they let him come home anyway?
Yeah.
Doctors said they couldn't help Jeff because he wasn't sober.
Just to be clear, why was Jeffrey drinking?
Because he couldn't sleep. And he told me, he said he had to pass out.
Bobby Mueller is a Vietnam vet who counsels patients with PTSD. 1 in 3 soldiers seeking medical help reports mental problems, but he says the VA still doesn't know how to treat them.
It's ridiculous if somebody comes in and is suicidal to deny them attention because they've been drinking.
The Lucys tried to have Jeff committed a second time, but the VA turned them away, saying Jeff wasn't a danger to himself, even though their own records showed otherwise.
The people knew they would be ashamed of what this government has not done for the veterans.
Kevin Lucy visits Jeff's grave twice a day. His son, an uncounted casualty of the war. Sharyn Alfonsi, CBS News, Belchertown, Massachusetts.